Hello, it's Dave from Wisdom Industry Company Limited. Today's video is about our latest model on the electric ATV. The ATV is for adult with big size. Let's have a look here. The ATV here available on 3000 watts AC motor and also available on power 5000 watts and 6000 watts. The sample here we have power on 5000 watts AC motor here. It's on 60 volts and the power transmission is on the shaft driving, gearbox shaft driving, two-wheelers in the rear, and we have a disc brake on each wheels and single shock suspension here. The wheel size on this ATV is 12 inch and front wheel is also 12 inch with also the disc brake, so 4 disc brake on each wheels. And the most advantage on this model is we have a front dual shock suspensions with swing arm here on this side, and it's available on 4-wheelers also. We can add another single motor here, extra motor here on front 2-wheelers. And here we have modified the side housing, so it's full covered now. Front and rear cargo rack here. The size is very big. Let's check the overall dimension on the ATV. First, the length from front cargo rack to rear cargo rack is 195 centimeters here, and the height is 104. On the rear cargo rack is 124 from the ground to the front handlebar. So the seat ground clearance here 89 centimeters on the seat ground clearance. The widest on the 116 centimeters, 122 centimeters on the wheelbase. So it's 1220 millimeters on the wheelbase, 29 centimeters on the ground clearance here. And from the lower side here, we have a 72 centimeters. The front wheel clearance, and the rear wheel clearance here we have is 72 centimeters on the rear. So let me show you the operation on this electric ATV. First, here is the power switch, power on here, and we have odometer here, and here is a kilometer. We can switch it to miles. Just long press the button on the left side, long press. Okay, now it becomes miles. See, miles per hour. So let's change back to kilometer. Long press. Okay, now it's kilometer. It's kilometer now. And here we can change the back color on the odometer. Now it's in green, gray. There are 2 colors available here. Okay, and on the left side hand here, okay, we have here is the front headlight, close and a low beam, close and a far beam. And here we have a turning light and a horn. And here we have a flashlight, the headlight in flashing. And on the right hand we have here the throttle forward, okay, and here is the brake, and we have a foot brake on this ATV, so it's more steady on running, just like this, okay. And forward and reverse is available on this ATV. Now it's on forward, okay, forward. Just a moment. Here, now in forward, and let's turn it to neutral. Neutral. Now it's in neutral. Neutral. No reaction. Neutral. Okay. And I put it to on rear. Here now it's on rear. Okay. Now it's rear. Backward. Okay. Brake. And then I can step on the brake also. Okay. Forward, reverse gear. We can see we have a gear. On one gear is forward. Okay. Now digital is neutral, and on rear is also no indication. Here, forward on one, on digital one. Okay, that's it. On the left hand here, we have a parking brake here. It's a parking brake. You know, when you found it's hard to lock the parking brake, just step on here, step on the foot brake, and it's much easier. Now it's for parking brake. See, cannot move. Okay, so that release it. It's released. Okay. Here we have on the right hand here we have other parking brake here. Just easy, just like this. One hand. See? Release it. Release it, okay. And again, break it. Release it. Okay. That's it. Okay, thanks for your time. For more information about our ATV, please visit our company website www.atv-utv.com. Thank you. See you next time. Goodbye.